Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Cat Gardener, and this is a mail call. A good friend of mine from Unimportant Homestead, which I don't like the name because they're important. They're awesome people. They need to rename it to Awesome Important Homestead. But they were kind enough, him and his wife were kind enough to send me. I was watching one of their great videos, and they had a plant that I was not familiar with. And like any gardener, you say, "Hey, what is that plant?" And it looks awesome. And then I got this in the mail, so we'll go ahead and open up. So I got a couple, and I wanted to definitely make note of it because it is 23 degrees outside, and it came through the post office, and you know they leave the packages outside and whatnot. So I'm actually kind of surprised that these poor things managed to survive. Got this one here, and you, my friend, you don't need this. Where you're going, we don't need no soil. You're going to go hydroponic. So I'm going to clean these roots, and I'm going to put it into, if I can grab it, this guy here. This is just a protein jug, and I will show you that as soon as I get the roots cleaned off. First, I have to decide which one of these beauties are going to go in there, and I'll be back. All right, I am back, and I have cleaned them of most of their soil. Their filthy, disgusting soil, in exchange for pure, beautiful hydroponic solution. Watch me kill these poor plants, which are looking kind of sad because of the weather. You know, they were shipped beautifully. They smell great, but the you know, different temperatures going across all those cold states with snow and stuff. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill first. I'm gonna fill this jar up with hydroponic solution. Because I got two plants here, and if one dies, hopefully the other one will happily survive. I'm gonna go pretty high on that for now. I can always empty some out. Put the basket in. I'm going to set our buddy down here to see where the roots lie. I'm going to, unfortunately, take some of these bottom leaves off. So that's what you have to do. Afraid you're going to have to come off. I'll have to lose a couple of you. I might stick these in water and see if they propagate, because they might. You never know. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, that leaf got torn somehow. Sad. All right. So, and take that leaf off too. So we'll see what happens. So, I've got it. The roots are pretty well submerged. I'm going to submerge them just a tiny bit more. All right. And then I'm going to fill the remaining area with, not going to be able to do this one-handed. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to fill this with the hydroponic pebbles, the clay pebbles. You could use marbles, rocks, anything that'll keep the plants upright and supported. And I will be back. Be right back. All right. Got the pebbles, the clay pebbles, supporting the plant. There's a couple more in here, just to be sure. All right. Excellent. So that, gotta figure out which of my shelves this will fit on. Will you fit here? No. All right. You have to go to the lower shelf. You'll be okay down there. All right. Now, on to the next one. I got this big boy here. So, this is the, oops, knocking things over. This is just a protein jug. I'm going to do the same process of filling the jug pretty much up to the top with the hydroponic solution. Might need a couple extra jugs of it because it's quite a large capacity. And hopefully, this will support the plant for quite some time. So this is an experiment. We'll see. This was an outdoor plant grown in a completely different, almost near tropical climate, this Mississippi, compared to my very cold northern Minnesota climate. But it was a wonderful gift, and I'm going to try to keep it alive. All right, I will be back. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to grab some more hydroponic solution. All right, I'm going to take the camera off the tripod so you can see the plant. So this is just a 5-pound protein jug. It's filled near to the top with hydroponic solution. The plant is just, its roots are just sitting in that solution, and it's being held upright by the pebbles. And hopefully, over the next however long, hopefully years, I'll be able to talk about this wonderful plant that I was gifted. All right, that is going to go on my experimental shelf on the bottom there. Yeah. See if I can. No, definitely not going to be able to lift that one hand. Be right back. All right, there you have it. I got my two friends here on my experimental shelf. Alrighty. That is awesome. Thanks again to my good friends at Unimportant Homestead. Again, they're very important. They're very awesome. Check them out. Any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.